Hello students, this is for BTech Textile Technology, Textile Chemistry, Textile Engineering 6 students for the subject of textile testing. Now in this topic we'll try to understand the definition and the relation between two terms, that is tensile strength, which is expressed in units of force per unit area, and tenacity, which is expressed in units of force per unit linear density. Both of these are expressions of measuring or comparing the strength of two yarns or fibers. Now, tensile strength is expressed in units of Newton per millimeter square or Pascal or GPa, and tenacity is expressed in terms of gram force per tex or GPD, that is gram force per denier. Now first we'll define these two terms. Whenever we calculate tensile strength, it is basically breaking load upon cross-sectional area of the fiber or yarn. Tenacity is defined as breaking load divided by linear density in tex or denier. Now when we try to find the relation between these two terms, that is tensile strength and tenacity, then as it has been shown here, if we put the expression of density, that is volumetric density, mass per unit volume, where volume can be expressed as area into length, so this relation can be derived, that is tensile strength is equal to tenacity into density in appropriate units. Now we'll try to understand one more relation, the unit conversion from kilogram force to Newton, and 1 kgf is basically force required to lift mass of 1 kg. Now F is equal to mg, so if force is 1 kgf and mass is 1 kg, and acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square, we get the relation that 1 kgf is equal to 9.8 kg meter per second square, which is equal to 9.8 newtons. Now we'll study two examples to understand the unit conversion between these two terms. First I'll take the example of one question that is from GATE paper 2014, in which the breaking load of a fiber is given as 300 millitex fiber is given as 110 millinewton, and density of the fiber is given as 1.24 gram per centimeters cube, and we have to calculate breaking stress in kilonewton per centimeter square. Now first we'll convert the 110 millinewton into kilonewton as shown here in the calculations, and we'll try to understand the relation between density, which is in gram per cc, and linear density, gram per centimeter, and area, which is in centimeter square. So we'll try to find out the area from this relation, and then we'll calculate tensile strength in terms of kilonewton per centimeter square as shown here. So the answer is 45.45 kilonewton per centimeter square. Now we'll move to one more example from the GATE question paper of 2006. Here we are required to convert initial modulus given in gram force per tex of a polyester fiber in the units of GPa, that is gigapascal, and density is also given as 1.35 gram per cc. So here this is also a similar question, as we are going from force per unit linear density to that of force per unit area. So the required calculations are shown here. We are using the density into tenacity and converting into the initial modulus in GPa, where G is giga, that means 10 to the power 9, and Pascal is in terms of Newton per meter square, and the solution here is done, and the answer is 4.63 gigapascal. So you may practice some more questions regarding this, where it is a very important topic for GATE preparation also. Thank you everybody.